Venice. Venice is one of the most important Italian cities and one of the most beautiful cities in Italy. It is an amazing city located in northern Italy, overlooking the Adriatic Sea. Venice City is characterized by its picturesque nature as a large island divided into 118 small islands, and connected to each other by a series of bridges and separated by a network of water canals, about 170 water canals that pass through it, which give it a wonderful aesthetic shape. Boats are used for transportation to move around in it, which makes it one of the most beautiful tourist destinations in Italy, that it attracts tourists from all over the world. Venice is one of the most important and beautiful tourist cities in Italy, with its palaces, squares, ancient churches, museums, historical art galleries, and distinctive popular markets that reflect a mixture of the Byzantine era, the medieval, and the Renaissance era. This makes Venice City unique in the world. Venice has been included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Grand Canal. It is one of the most beautiful tourist attractions in Venice, which enables you to explore the charming city of Venice. It is one of the main waterways in Venice. The end of the Grand Canal leads to the Venetian Lagoon. This channel is like a river that extends for about 3,800 meters, a width ranging from 30 to 90 meters, and an average depth of 5 meters, and the channel takes the shape of an inverted letter, S. Water buses are available in the Grand Canal to move through, especially the gondolas, which offers visitors with a view of the most important buildings and the most famous ancient palaces in Venice, which line the banks of the Grand Canal. Rialto Bridge. The Rialto Bridge is one of the most iconic bridges in Venice, and one of the top attractions in Venice. It is the oldest of the 4 bridges built along on the Grand Canal in Venice. It was built in the 16th century. This bridge is considered an architectural and engineering achievement with its distinctive design in the Renaissance period, which made it a steadfast bridge for a long time. The Rialto Bridge is the true heart of Venice. San Marco Square. It is the main and only public square in Venice. It contains the most famous attractions in Venice, such as St. Marco's Basilica, the Doge's Palace and the San Marco Campanile Tower. St. Marco's Basilica is one of the most impressive and unique architecture in the city. It was established in 1092. It remains one of the most important religious buildings in northern Italy. Every aspect of St. Mark's Basilica is wonderful, from the ornamentation, carvings and artwork of the front facade, to the beautifully painted murals on the inside. Doge's Palace. It is one of the most beautiful palaces in Venice, which has become one of the city's main landmarks and a prominent tourist destination. The palace is distinguished by its magnificent architectural style from the inside and outside. It is built in the old traditional Gothic style made of white stone. Decorations and carvings are spread on the walls and columns in the palace. It also includes paintings of the most famous Italian artists distributed throughout the palace. San Marco Campanile Tower. The San Marco Campanile Tower is one of the most beautiful and famous towers in Italy. It is a bell tower belonging to the St. Mark's Church. It extends at a 99 meters high, which makes it the tallest building in Venice, and it is a famous symbol of the city. Santa Maria della Salute Church. Santa Maria della Salute Church is distinguished by its majestic Baroque architectural design, its front facade decorated with 125 statues, and its unique dome, in addition to the wonderful artwork it contains. Santa Maria della Salute Church is very popular with both locals and foreign tourists. San Giorgio Maggiore Church. San Giorgio Maggiore Church has an architectural design inspired by ancient Roman temples. The church's construction dates back to the 16th century. It is also distinguished by its white color, in addition to its towering tower, which reaches a height of 60 meters, which offers visitors a charming view of the entire Venice. I hope you enjoyed this short trip to Venice. To see more, please subscribe. Thank you for following up.